audio-shorthand.com में आपका स्वागत है। 5 seconds. Start. Sometimes they are supplied with sophisticated weapons. Superpowers are helping them. So we must be careful and watchful. Another thing is about the secessionist tendencies supported under the cover of religious fundamentalism abetted by foreign agencies. This must be curbed. That is the greatest danger in our country today. Sometimes chauvinism, regional and linguistic fervors create very dangerous tendencies, and if we do not think of all these things, these may come out as hydra-headed creatures in future and create many a splitting situation in the national picture, for which we will be blamed in future, whoever is in power. It is the responsibility of all citizens, all political parties, to look into these factors which have been rightly pointed out in the President's address. This year we have passed through the greatest drought of the century. Because India had achieved something in the Green Revolution, we could come out of it. Out of 35 climatic zones, 23 zones suffered from scanty rainfall and drought, and some parts of the country faced floods also. There was loss of crops and damage to crops. Production was much less because we had a buffer stock of 23 million tons, which was sound planning, and the Green Revolution had achieved something. The country could face this difficult situation. At the same time, many honorable members have brought out in this house that the Kisans are unhappy. They are vibrating with new ideas, new expressions of rising expectations. What are their problems? Anybody who goes to the villages comes to know that the balance of trade or the balance of economic situation is not in their favor. The prices are rising and they are not getting justice. That is their feeling. Still worse is the plight of small and marginal farmers. The government is spending a lot on subsidies for food sufficiency by way of subsidized fertilizers and other things, but their share is much less. The dry land farmer and the small and marginal farmer have to do distress sales because in our country there is no proper marketing organization to help them. Unfortunately, we had thought that the cooperatives would develop, but they have no developed, and the marketing agencies have not developed. So they are the worst sufferers in this situation of rising prices. The other sectors enjoy a favorable position. They can command the economy. The farmers are very much discontented, for which we have to take proper precautions. That is what I want to submit through this honorable house to the government. Thank you.